If Slack is giving you a sign-in error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that solve the most common login problems fast. This can happen because of a weak internet connection, a temporary app glitch, or simply because the wrong email or password was entered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it step by step and get back into Slack without wasting time. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can easily cause Slack sign-in errors, so open your browser and search for a speed test. Run the test and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is weak, switch to a stronger network, reconnect your Wi-Fi, or try mobile data if needed. Once your connection is confirmed, refresh the Slack page or close and reopen the app. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary loading problem, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. If you are still seeing the error, the next thing to check is your login details. Make sure you are entering the correct email address and password for the Slack workspace you are trying to access. It is easy to accidentally use the wrong account, especially if you have multiple emails. Double check for typos, caps lock, or save passwords that may be outdated. If you still cannot sign in, click the Forgot Password option. This is one of the most effective fixes if your password is no longer working or you are not sure it is correct. Follow the reset steps, create a new password, and then try signing in again with the updated credentials. In many cases, that alone will solve the problem. If Slack still will not let you in after that, go back and try the process again once more after refreshing the page and confirming your network is stable. A lot of sign-in errors are caused by small issues that are easy to miss, so it helps to go through each step carefully. Check your connection, refresh the app or page, verify your email and password, and reset your password if needed. Those 4 steps usually fix the most common Slack sign-in problems, and that's it. You've now learned how to fix a Slack sign-in error quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.